1. Earth, our tiny home. We humans think we're huge cities that never sleep, mountains that scrape the sky, but in reality, Earth is just one fragile sphere floating through cold, dark space. Everest might seem massive, but if Earth were shrunk to the size of a billiard ball, it would feel smoother than glass. And while we stand still, our planet spins at 1,600 kilometers per hour and races around the sun at 107,000 kilometers per hour. Yet we barely notice all our problems, dreams, and wars just echoes on a tiny spinning rock. 2. The solar system, giants around us. Look up at the night sky, those dots of light are part of a vast system we barely grasp. Our solar system is dominated by monsters like Jupiter. This gas giant is so huge it could swallow over 1,300 Earths. Saturn, with its iconic rings, is so wide you could line up 21 Earths across them. Between planets like Mercury, Mars, and Neptune, there's an endless dance of moons and asteroids. We think Earth is unique, but it's just one out of billions of rocks orbiting distant stars. 3. The Sun, our local furnace. The Sun feels massive to us, a blazing ball that gives us life and warmth. But this blazing giant is only average on a cosmic scale. You could drop 1,000,000 Earths inside it and still have room to spare. Every second, the Sun radiates more energy than all humans have ever used. Yet compared to true stellar monsters, our Sun is like a campfire next to a volcano. Its heat gives us life, but beyond it, the stars get even stranger. For supergiant stars, monsters of the cosmos. Take Betelgeuse. This red supergiant is so big that if it replaced our Sun, it would engulf Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and maybe even Saturn. Then there's Zooey Scooty, one of the largest stars ever found. It's 1,700 times wider than our Sun. If a wee Scooty sat where the Sun is, its surface would stretch past Saturn's orbit. These titans remind us that our solar system is just a drop in an endless ocean of blazing giants. 5. The Milky Way, our galactic home. Everything you know, every friend, every dream, every song drifts inside a galaxy called the Milky Way. It's made of over 200 billion stars. Some scientists say that number might be twice as high. Traveling at light speed, it would take you 100,000 years to cross it from end to end, and the Milky Way is just one of billions. In the night sky, when you see the faint band of stars, you're looking at a slice of this endless city of suns. 6. Andromeda, the cosmic neighbor. The Andromeda Galaxy is our closest galactic neighbor, and it's even bigger than the Milky Way. Andromeda holds about 1 trillion stars, all dancing together in an ancient spiral. One day, Andromeda and the Milky Way will collide. Don't panic, that cosmic crash will happen in about 4 billion years. By then, our tiny planet might be long gone, or we might be exploring other stars. 7. Clusters and superclusters, endless. Cities of galaxies. Galaxies rarely drift alone. They cluster together in giant families. The Milky Way and Andromeda belong to the local group, about 50 galaxies bound by gravity. This local group is part of the Virgo supercluster, a massive region containing thousands of galaxies. Beyond that, the Laniakea supercluster. Even our biggest maps can't show it all. The deeper we look, the more we see and the more invisible we feel. 8. The observable universe, our limit. The observable universe stretches about 93 billion light-years wide. Everything we've ever seen, mapped, or imagined fits in that bubble. Beyond it, no one knows for sure. Some believe the universe could be infinite, with infinite worlds, infinite Earths, maybe infinite versions of you, asking the same questions right now. 9. Cosmic time, a fleeting blink. Not only are we small in space, we're small in time. Earth is 4.5 billion years old, modern humans, just 300,000 years. Dinosaurs roamed for 165 million years. Compared to them, we're a short experiment. Yet in that blink, we built cities, invented language, landed on the moon, and looked back at ourselves from space just to realize how small we truly are. 10. Humility, the greatest lesson. So what does all this cosmic scale really teach us? Maybe that we should stay humble. Maybe our size doesn't matter as much as our questions do. Because despite our size, we wonder, we dream, we reach for the stars, and that might be the rarest thing in this vast, silent universe. So next time someone acts like they're the center of everything, send them this video. Remind them, we're just tiny specks of stardust, drifting in endless darkness. Stay humble, stay curious, and yes, send this to your most egoistic friend. They could use the perspective.